Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook story couldn't load. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So from here we're going to make sure to close our application and then make sure that it is fully closed down. Once we do so, we're going to now head to our settings. So search down and click on the settings option. From here we're going to click on the apps section on the third button. And then from here we can either click on Facebook or we can click on see all apps and then search for Facebook. Once we do so, we're going to go to the third option that says storage and cache. And then from here we're going to click on the clear cache button. Now once we do so, we're going to make sure to exit. And then we're going to make sure that we are updated to the latest version of Facebook. So click on the Play Store or the App Store. Click on the search button. Search for Facebook. And then from here, click on the first option. And as you can see, it says right here open, but in case for you, it says update instead of that blue button right there. Then you're going to make sure to click that to update to the latest version. One last thing we're going to check is once you exit the app right here, then you're going to make sure to go to settings, then scroll all the way down until you see the system. Click on that. Then from here, you can see the system update. Click on that. And this will check for any new software updates for the phone. If it found a new one, then make sure to update it so that all your applications work smoothly and correctly. And once you restart your device after it finishes the update, that should solve your problem. Just make sure that you are connected to the correct Wi-Fi or data, whatever method that works best. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.